What is up, Geo Metro Ninjas, and welcome back to another day of Virtual Mr. Coach. Today we're going to be talking about area and perimeter on a coordinate plane. So we're going to take the shapes that we all know and we all love, whether it be a triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus, kite, parallelogram, trapezoid, all the shapes that we know how to find the area of because of Unit 7. We're going to take those shapes before we got three-dimensional with it, and we're going to apply that to our area and perimeter. And to do that, we're going to have to take our distance formula and find the value of our missing sides first. You rascal. Okay? So, we're going to take number 7. The only one we're going to do today is number 7 because the rest of it's pretty much the same over and over, and I don't want to sit here and make you watch a 30-minute video of me doing the same problem repeatedly over and over. So we're going to do number 7. The instructions say just find the perimeter, but we're going to find the area and the perimeter. So when I look at number 7, it gives me 3 points. It gives me A at 0, 2. So there's point A. B, that's A is at 0, negative 2. Let's see if I can get this right. 0, negative 2 is A. Zero, 2 is B. And C is 4, 0. So we've got 3 points. And when we connect these points, we get, oh gosh, let's see, come on, fancy line. We get a triangle. Now, we can find the value of a vertical line easy. We can just count boxes just like we did with our distance formula. So the length of the base of this triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the length of our base is 4. The length of each side, unfortunately, we don't know because we can't count boxes with our diagonal. But we can use our distance formula. So we're going to have to use our distance formula first. Okay? And I'm going to do the distance from B to C. Okay? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We know the distance formula equals Y2 minus Y1 squared. That comes second, don't it? My bad, yo. There we go. X2 minus X1 squared and a plus sign in the middle. So we're going to substitute what we know. Get our little skeleton up there. So we got 4 minus 0. And 0 minus 2. So we got 4 squared. Negative 2 squared. Four squared is 16. Negative 2 squared is 4. So we get the square root of 20. Which if we were to make our factor tree, hopefully 20 becomes a pretty common one by now. 20, 4 and 5, 2 and 2. We got our pair so we can get out of there. So our exact answer is 2 rad 5. I'm going to carry that exact answer for me for a while. So that means each of these sides, because it's an isosceles triangle, is 2 rad 5. I know your answer wants you to round to the nearest decimal, but we're not going to do that until the very end. So perimeter is just distance around. So we're going to add up each side length. So it's AB plus BC plus AC. So it's the distance around our entire figure. So 4 plus 2 rad 5 plus 2 rad 5. Remember that we can only combine like terms. 2 rad 5s can be combined. 4 is not going to combine with those. So our exact answer would be 4 plus 4 rad 5. And now we can go ahead and reduce. So we put that right into our calculator. And we come up with 12.94. So this is our distance around. This is our perimeter. If I want to do area, I'll do area over here on the right. If we think back to the area of a triangle, everybody should have their formula sheet still. If not, it's in Unit 7. You can go click on it. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So the base is that bottom piece. So the base is going to be 4. And the height is the distance from the vertex, which is the top, and it's perpendicular to our base. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So our height is also 4. So we go 1/2 4 times 4, half of 16. So our area is 8. And that's it, guys. So we're going to take our distance formula and you're going to use it. I'm not going to put that many homework as problems because it is just repetitive. It's just reinforcing our distance formula, and it's bringing back some of that stuff from Unit 7. You guys have a great rest of the day. I love you and I miss y'all. Coach O out.